Hey guys, Cody here, off leash canine Gulf Coast. Today we've got Murphy. It's about a 1.5 year old Schnauzer poodle, Schnoodle. Here for our 2-week board and train program. Owner complaints the main reason Murphy's here is his human aggression. He's never actually broke skin before, but just dropping him off, when mom dropped him off, he was immediately straight out of the vehicle. I mean, lunging, barking at me, just getting close to him. He's lunging out, snapping, showing teeth, things like that. So he looks pretty serious. We believe it's a little bit of fear-based and caused aggression, maybe fear turned into caused aggression. But other complaints are bolting out the door, and he pulls on the leash pretty bad. So picked him up last night, so I've had a little bit of time to work with him. But let's run through his commands and see where he's at. Murphy, come. Sit. Can you sit? Sit. Not today. Sit. Good boy. Down. Down. No. Let's try to place. Murphy, place. 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 No. Let's try heel. Murphy, heel. Murphy, heel. Alright guys, I don't think he knows heel, but you can kind of see where he's at. I've had a little bit of time to work with him on just come and sit, but this is Murphy, day 1 of 2 weeks. Stick with us and watch his progress.